Problem solving using Python model question paper part C20. Explain the selection control in Python with suitable example. A selection control statement is a control statement that provide the selective execution of instruction. A selection control structure is a set of given instruction and the selection control statement controlling their execution. The if statement is a selection control statement based on this value given Boolean expression, a statement that contains the other statement. Such if statement is also called the compound statement. Here given syntax and example. The if statement is syntax is if condition statement, else statement. Example, if grade greater than equal to 70, print passing grade, else print failing grade. If grade double equal to 100, print perfect score. Example, the temperature conversion program Celsius to Fahrenheit, Fahrenheit to Celsius. Print, this program will convert temperature of Fahrenheit by Celsius. Print, enter F converting Fahrenheit to Celsius. Print, enter C convert Celsius to Fahrenheit. Get the temperature to convert, which equal to input, enter selection, temp equal to int of input, enter the temperature to convert. Determine the temperature conversion needed and it display result. If which double equal to F, converter temp equal to temp minus 32 into 5 by 9. This is the formula for converting Fahrenheit to Celsius. Print, temp means temperature, the degree Fahrenheit equals converted temp and degree Celsius. Else, converted temp equal to 9 by 5 into temp plus 32. This is a formula for Celsius to Fahrenheit converting temperature. Print, temp degree Celsius equal converted temp degree Fahrenheit. Indentation in Python. In Python, however, the indentation is used to associate and the group statement. A header in the Python specific keyword followed by a colon. The header or the part of the same compound statement must be indented the same amount. Otherwise, a syntax error will result. A set of statements following the header in Python is called the suit, commonly called the block. The statement of the given suit must be indented the same amount. The header and its associated the suit are together referred as a class. The compound statement in Python may consist one or more classes. The first class of the if statement, if which double equal to f is header, converted temp equal to temp minus 32 into 5 by 9, print temp degree Fahrenheit equal converted temp degree Celsius is suit. Else, the second class of the if statement, converted temp equal to 9 by 5 into temp plus 32, print temp degree Celsius equal converted temp degree Fahrenheit is a suit. Valid indentation and invalid indentation. The valid indentation, if condition statement else statement. B, if condition statement else statement. C, if condition statement else statement. D, if condition statement else statement. The multi-way selection. The nested if statement. The if statement can be nested in Python, resulting is multi-way selection. The nested if statement. If condition statement else if condition statement else if condition statement etc. is the syntax of nested if statement. Example, if grade greater than equal to 90, print grade A. Else, if grade greater than equal to 80, print grade B. Else, if grade greater than equal to 70, print grade C. Else, if grade greater than equal to 60, print grade D. Else, print grade F. F means fail. Example, the credit 545. If credit 0.590, print senior. Else, if credit 0.560, print junior. Else, if credit 0.530, print sophomore. Else, if credit 0.51, print freshman. Else, print no earned credit. The else if header in Python. The Python has another header called else if header that provide the multi-way selection in a single if statement. A final clause may be used for catch-all situation. Example, if grade greater than equal to 90, print grade A. Else if grade greater than equal to 80, print grade B. Else if grade greater than equal to 70, print grade C. Else if greater than equal to 60, print grade D. Else print grade of F. Fail. 21. Explain the computational problem solving. The computational problem solving, it is a process in programming being only one of the step before a program written. A design for the program must be developed, and before a design can be developed the problem must be solved as well as understood. Once written, the program must be thoroughly tested. Analyze the problem. Analyze the problem, clearly understand the problem, know what constitutes a solution, describe data and algorithm, determine what type of data is needed, determine how the data to be structured, find design the appropriate algorithm. This is the design state. Implement program. Represent the data in a programming language. Implement the algorithm in programming language. It is the implementation state. Test and debug. Test the program on the selected set of problem instances. Correct and understand the causes of any errors found. This the final state is testing. Problem analysis. Understanding the problem. Once the problem once a problem is clearly understood, the fundamental computational issues for solving it can be determined. For each of this problem discussed, the representation is straightforward. For example, man cabbage problem is a brute force algorithmic approach trying all possible solution works very well since there are a small number of instructions that can be taken each step and only the relative small number of steps for reaching the solution. Knowing what a constitutes a solution. Beside the clearly understanding the computational problem, one must know what a constitutes solution. For some problem there is only one solution. For others there are the number of solution. The program must be stated as finding a solution, approximate solution, best solution, and all solution. Example, MCGW problem. There is an infinite number of solution. The man could pointlessly row back and across a arbitrary number of times repeated. Program design describing the data needed for the man cabbage goat is a list of is to represent the current location of the man cabbage goat discussed earlier. The man cabbage goat wolf WE and WE defined as this way, describing the nested algorithm. When solving the computational problem, either suitable existing algorithm may be found or new algorithm must be developed. For this problem, they are understand standard search algorithm that can be used. Program implementation. Since we are the programming in Python, the implementation needs to be expressed in systematically correct and appropriate way using the instruction the features available in Python. So program testing is a software testing is a crucial part of the software development. Testing is done incrementally as a program is being developed. When the program is complete, the program needs to be updated. 22. Write a Python code to the temperature conversion program using the function concept. Def display welcome print. This program will convert range of temperature Print enter F to convert Fahrenheit to Celsius. C convert the Celsius to Fahrenheit in print statement. Def get convert to which equal to input enter selection, while which not equal to F, which not equal to C, which equal to input of enter selection. Return which. Def display Fahrenheit to Celsius start comma end. Print the degree slash n degrees degree print Fahrenheit print Celsius. For temp in range start comma end plus 1, converting the temperature equal to temp minus 32 into 5 by 9. Print format of temp comma 4.1 F. Formatted the converted temperature 4.1 F. Definition def means defined definition. Display Celsius to Fahrenheit start comma end. Print degrees degree. Print Celsius comma Fahrenheit. For temp in range start n plus 1. Converted the temp 9 by 5 into temp plus 32. Print format of temp comma 4.1 F. Format converted temperature is 4.1 F. Main display welcome which equal to get convert to temp of start equal to input int of input enter starting temperature to convert a temp end int of input enter ending temperature to convert if which double equal to F display Fahrenheit to Celsius temperature start comma temp start comma temp end else display Celsius to Fahrenheit temp start comma temp end. 23. Explain the exception handling and the user input. Exception handling in Python. The cause of exception is often external to the program itself. For example, incorrect input, a malfunctioning input output device because the program abruptly terminate on the encountering an exception. It may damage to the system resources such as a file. Hence, the exception should be properly handled so that abort terminations of the program is prevented. Python uses the try and except keyword to handle the exception. Both are independent blocks. Syntax try statement in try block, except executed when the error in try block. The try block contain one or more statements which are likely to encounter the exception. If the statement in this block are executed without an exception, the subsequent except the block is skipped. If the exception does occur the program, the flow is transferred to the except block. The statement in the except block are meant to handle the cause of the exception appropriately. Example, returning the appropriate error message. You can specify the type of exception after the except keyword. The subsequent block will be executed only if the specified exception occur. There may be the multiple except clauses with the different exception types in a single try block. If the type of exception does not match any of the except block, it will remain unhandled. The program will terminate. The rest of the statement after the except block will continue to be executed regardless if the exception is encountered or not. The following example defined here. Try a equal to 5, b equal to 0, print a by b, except print some error occur, print out of try except block, output some error occurred out of try except block. In this example, catch the specific error type. Try a equal to 5, b equal to 0, print a plus b, except type error, print unsupported operation, print out of try except block, output unsupported operation, out of try except block. Mentioned above, the single try block have multiple except block. The following example, two except block to process two different exception type. Try a equal to 5, b equal to 0, print a by b, except a type error, print unsupported operation, except error division error, print division by 0 not allowed, print out of try except block, output division by 0 not allowed, out of try except blocks. We show this following interactive session. In of brackets square brackets define n equal to int of input, please enter a number. In define the square bracket, while true try n equal to input, please enter the integer n equal to int of n, break except value error, print no valid integer, please try again, print great, you successfully entered an integer. We could run the code in above function, which can be used the proof of the input. Diff input int of input prompt, while true try age equal to int of input prompt, return age, except the value error as e, print not a proper integer, try it again. Import sys file name equal to sys of argument v, arg means argument v of 1, text equal to square bracket, try f equal to open file name of r means read, except in io error na input output error, print cannot open comma file name, else text equal to fh dot readlines of readline method, fh dot close method. If text print text of 100 cannot open f. The main difference in the first case, all the statements of the try block can lead the same error message cannot open, which it is wrong. If h dot close or fh dot readlines raise the error, the exception handling and the user input program. Valid equal to false, while not valid try. Month equal to int of input, enter the current month 1 to 12, while month less than 1 or month greater than 12, print invalid input must be the range 1 to 12. Month equal to int of input, enter current month 1 to 12, valid equal to true, the except value error, print the invalid month value, def get month equal to int of input, enter the current month 1 to 12. If month greater than 1 less than 1 or month greater than 12, raise value error, invalid month value, return month. 24. Explain in detail polymorphism in Python. Suitable example. Polymorphism. The word polymorphism derived the Greek meaning something that take many forms. In object-oriented programming, polymorphism allows objects of different type, each with their own specific behavior, to be treated as the same general type. Polymorphism is an important feature of class definition in Python that is utilized when you have a commonly named method across classes or subclasses. This allows the functions of the object, the polymorphic classes, without needing to have distinctions across the classes. The polymorphism can be carried out through the inheritance with subclasses, making the use of the base class method or overriding them. Python duck typing is a special case of dynamic typing. User techniques, characteristics of polymorphism include late binding and dynamic dispatch. The term duck typing is derived from a code of Wright James Whitcomb Riley. When I see a bird that walk like a duck and swim like a duck and quack like a duck, I call that bird a duck. A function will be able to evaluate polymorphism method without knowing the class or invoked, creating the polymorphic classes. To make the use of polymorphism, we are going to create two distant classes to use the two distant object. Each of the distant classes need to have the interfaces that is common so they can be used polymorphically. So we will give them the method or distance but we have the same name. In this program, we defined a class shark, def swim of self, print the shark is swimming, def swim of backward self, print the shark cannot swim backwards but can sink backwards. Def skeleton self, print the shark skeleton is made of cartilage. Class clownfish, def swim of self, print clownfish is swimming. Def swim backwards self print the clownfish can swim backwards. Def skeleton of self print clownfish skeleton is made of bone. Copy swami equal to sharp swami dot skeleton case y equal to clownfish case y dot skeleton. Copy this shark clownfish using the common we have two object make use of common interface we can use two object regardless their individual types. Polymorphism with the class method polymorphism fish.py Sammy equal to shark case y equal to clownfish. For fish in Sammy comma case y fish dot swim method fish dot swim backward method fish dot skeleton method. When we have two objects Sammy of the shark class case y of the clownfish class, our loop iterates this object calling the swim and the swim backward and the skeleton method of each. When we run the program the output will as follows. The shark is swimming. The shark cannot swim backwards but can sink backwards. The shark skeleton made of cartilage. Clownfish is swimming. Clownfish can swim backwards. The clownfish skeleton is made of bone. For loop iterate first through the swami instantiations of the shark class of the objects of clownfish class. So we see the method related to the shark class. First the clownfish class. Polymorphism with a function. We can also create the function that can take any object allowing polymorphism. Create a function called the specific which takes the object we call the fish. The polymorphism fish.py define the specific of fish. Copy this formula. Def in the specific of fish dot swim. Copy this instantiations creating both shark and the clownfish is already. Def in the specific of fish dot swim method Sammy equal to shark method case y equal to clownfish method. In the specific of Sammy in the specific of case y. Copy. When we run the program the output will show like this. The shark is swimming, the clownfish is swimming. For example, shape get xy lock method get xy lock method circle get y lock set xy lock calculate area square get xy lock get set xy lock calculate area triangle get xy lock set xy lock calculate the area. Class name def initiate self comma x dot y self dot x equal to x self dot y equal to y get xy lock of self return self dot x comma self dot y def set xy lock self comma y comma x comma y self dot x equal to x self dot y equal to y. Define calci area of self. Raise not implemented. Error. The method calls the area are not implemented. Class. Here given this class in which the one or more method are unimplemented called the abstract classes. Class circle of shape def int of self comma x comma y comma or shape dot int of self comma x comma y self dot radius equal to or def of calci area of self written math dot pi into self dot radius into 2 class square of shape def initiate self comma x comma y comma s shape dot init self of x comma y self of slide side equal to s def calci area of self returns self dot side into 2 class triangle of shape def int self comma x comma y comma s shape dot int of self x comma y self dot side equal to s def calci area of self return self dot side into 2 into math dot square root of 3 by 4.0 is the formula for finding this triangle of calculating the area. Thank you.